Hi friend, in today's video we are going to learn how to calculate rate function in Microsoft Excel. The rate function helps us to answer the question of how much of rate of the interest rate we are gonna pay on investment or loan. Here in this video I have the present value as investment and payment and number of periods, and the future value as interest investments. On the other hand, we have loan and the present value, the payment, number of periods, future value as well. Here we are going to explain in the case we are going to invest money on bank, and on the other hand we are going to take loan. How do we calculate the rate function in Microsoft Excel? Here let's imagine we are going to put 5,000 as investment in the bank, and the payment, we do not have payment, would be 0, and the number of periods, let's imagine we are going to invest over the 2 years. It means 24,000, and the future value would be $20,000 over the. So here we can calculate the rate function. We search for the rate from the Microsoft Excel. It asks us for the number of period, 24 months, and the payment, we have 0 payment. On the other hand, we need to insert the present value as the investment, and the future value we do have 120,000. The type would be 0. We do not have the so here the interest rate of the investing 5,000 on the bank would be 14%. If we change the amount for the 12 months, it would be 3.72%. So here we do have the 14%, 0.16% as interest rate we are going to charge of investing 5,000 over the 24,000. On the other hand, let's, as in scenario we are going to take money from the bank, let's assume we are going to take 6,000 from the bank as present value, and the payment we are going to pay 500 every month. And let's assume the number of periods over the 5 payments, and the future value here would be 0 at the end. We are not going. So let's search for the rate. The number of periods would be 5%. Sorry, the number of periods would be 5, and comma the present payment, the payment would be 500 on every month, and the present value would be 6,000, and the future value would be 0, comma the type would be 0 because this would be at the end. The interest rate is 23.5% minus, because it's a credit, we are going to pay this interest rate as interest or finance cost. That's all. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.